today's video we will see how to fix the Apple CarPlay keep disconnecting. Full connectivity fix tutorial. Fix 1. Restart your iPhone and vehicle. Turn off your iPhone completely. Shut down your vehicle and infotainment system. Then wait about 30 seconds and start the vehicle again. Now turn your iPhone back on and reconnect CarPlay and test the connection while driving. Fix 2. Check the USB cable for wired CarPlay. So disconnect the current cable and inspect it for damage. Try an original Apple or certified replacement cable. Now connect to the cable securely to both the iPhone and vehicle USB port. Avoid using adapter, extensions or hub. If available, test a different USB port in the vehicle. Fix 3. Enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for wireless CarPlay. So open settings on your iPhone, turn Bluetooth on, then turn Wi-Fi on. Then tap your vehicle CarPlay network if listed and make sure audio join is enabled. Now reconnect to CarPlay and check whether the disconnected stop. So the fix 4, forget and reconnect CarPlay. So open the settings, then go to General, then click on CarPlay and select your vehicle. Now tap forget this car and then remove the iPhone from your vehicle Bluetooth devices. Then pair the phone and vehicle again from scratch and complete the CarPlay setup process. Fix 5. Make sure Siri is enabled. So CarPlay relies on Siri to function correctly. Open settings, then go to Siri. Now enable listen to Siri and enabled allow Siri when locked. Then reconnect CarPlay and test voice command and check whether the connection remains stable. Fix 6. Disable screen time restriction. CarPlay may disconnect if it has been restricted in iPhone settings. Open settings, then go to screen time. Now tap content and privacy restriction. Select allowed app, confirm that CarPlay is enabled and reconnect and test again. Now the fix 7. Check for wireless interference. Wireless CarPlay can disconnect in areas with strong audio or Wi-Fi interference. Notice whether disconnects happen in the same location repeatedly. If they do, interference may be caused. Continue driving past the affected areas and see if CarPlay reconnect. Consider using a wired connection for maximum stability. Fix 8. Contact Apple or vehicle support. If CarPlay still disconnect after trying all the fixes, test another iPhone in the same vehicle. Test your iPhone in another CarPlay enabled vehicle and contact the Apple support if the issue follows the phone. And contact your vehicle manufacturer if the issue only occurs in one car. Goodbye.